Sisters, welcome to our fourth moon cycle circle, which holds the medicine of prophecy, which is carried by the clan's mother, Luxfar woman. Her full spectrum of pastel colors represents seeing the truth in all colors. She is the doorkeeper of the crack in the universe and the golden door of illumination that leads to all the other dimensions of awareness. She is a seer, an oracle, a dreamer, and a visionary. So we are going to explore unraveling the symbols that are found in these psychic impressions, as well as how can we create energetic hygiene so that we can walk in clarity and confidence. The frog animal spirit embodies the medicines of purification and cleansing. Our women's Kundalini teachings are going to guide us in how to observe each opportunity that comes in life, knowing when to follow that path and when to choose another road with our personal clarity. When we make personal choices with clarity, we alter our sacred paths to grow as we see the truth in all life situations. This is always a BOGO offer for $55. I will be serving light lunch. Because this is on a Sunday, April the 13th, it's from 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. 13 Moons Women's Circle, Medicine of Prophecy, Clan Mother of Luxfar Woman. Sunday, April the 13th, from 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Satnam.